Hey, this is John Dearborn, and I will be showing you how to get started with C Sharp and making games. So, the first thing we need to do is set up our integrated development environment. We're using Visual Studio, and so here on the screen I have the Visual Studio website. This is one way to get it. If you come here, there's an option, and it might look different in the future, but download Visual Studio. You can get one of these versions. Community is a free version, but it's pretty much full featured. There's nothing lacking that we'll need. But if you wanted to go through the school and get the enterprise version, I'll show you how to do that as well. You can go to My SNU. This is my page, and it's a little annoying to get there, but Offices. And in Offices, you have to look through and find ITS, Information Technology Solutions. And then on their page, Instructional Support Services over here. So just click on that. And then in this page, we have software for students, faculty, and staff. So it's pretty well hidden. That's pretty annoying. But it does tell you, give you a list of the different products you can get through the school. And there are Adobe products as well. This page is kind of weird. If you click on that, it shows up at the bottom more information about how to get things like Photoshop. So anyway, with the Microsoft software, we license it through the Microsoft Imagine program. So you can get it through there. There's a link. There are links scattered around here. And so you can get to the Microsoft Imagine website, or you can go through this onthehub.com link to get some Microsoft software. But I'm going to show you if you just Google for Microsoft Imagine, it'll bring you there. Same place. So it's a little easier than just going through all those My SNU menus. So you'll have to sign into an account. You'll probably want to register, make an account. I have my own here. So it's going to log in. So once you log in and you sign up, you put in all your details and stuff, it makes sure that you're actually a student at SNU. And you can go shopping for products. I'm going to just show you the web store. So this should bring us to, this will bring us to that other site. So find your academic institution. It would be nice if it just, because it already knows. It would be nice if it, there we go, if it just chose the one that we already put in. So Southern New Hampshire University, and it lets us go visit their web store. So here's the web store for SNU on Microsoft Imagine, and it gives us a bunch of Microsoft software that we can download. Now there's not really that much here, even if you go into the all category. The most interesting things here are, well, Windows 10 if you don't have it already. Visual Studio, you can get the enterprise version, and Visio is kind of fun to play around with. But besides that, not that much. So download Visual Studio, either the community version or enterprise, and either one should be fine. So once you do download that and install it, you should run it. And you end up eventually getting to a page like this. This is the start page. Mine's a little different because I have projects that I've already started, but yours should look kind of similar. And once you have Visual Studio open, you should set it up so that you can do C# development. If you have installed Unity already, which is not necessary right now, you may already have C# tools installed, but and on the computers in the lab, they'll be installed already. So you can take a look at the Tools menu, Get Tools and Features, the first one. Yep, we want to install stuff. And this will get ready. Sometimes it'll force you to update this thing before you can update anything else. Alright, so I already have them installed, but these are the two that I use. .NET Desktop Development. This is what you want to be able to build C# projects, the ones that we're going to be using in Game 110 in our intro programming course. And you might also want the desktop development with C++. That's optional right now, but you'll use that in other courses too. So both of these are good. Definitely need the .NET Desktop Development. So check those off, choose to install, and then you're all set. So in the next video, I will be talking about programming. See ya.